Holy ha! Look at this. Huh. I can get used to this. What's up, everyone? This is Schroeder here, and it's been a while since I've actually uploaded something onto YouTube. Let me explain why, okay? I just got this new camera. I've been waiting for it for like the last month. Wow, it's so fresh. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. Oh, wait, balance. Canon G7X Mark II. This is the same camera that like every YouTuber actually uses. This is so awesome. Look at this. I got backlight and you can't even tell. I've been using my phone for so long. See, I've been using my cell phone, my Galaxy S7 Edge, for filming. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that it's just so grainy. You can't see anything at nighttime. It's actually kind of blurry. Like you can see 2 or 3 when I'm actually editing it in Premiere. But it doesn't matter now because I have this camera and I'm gonna be taking you with me to my meetup group tonight, and I'm gonna be filming a lot of cool stuff. You get to meet some of the guys maybe. It just depends if they want me to show their face. Look at this, I even have a zoom now. I didn't really have that. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be over at Miller's Ale House in Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, so give me a few minutes. I look clean up pretty nice now, don't I? This is awesome. I love this camera so much. You're gonna meet some of the people. By the way, before I go into my meetup venue, make sure that you hit the bell next to subscribe because I'm a new YouTuber. They kind of screw over the new YouTubers. So I wouldn't put a picture of you with, okay, a picture with you and your mom? Yes. A picture of you and your dog? Yes. Just a picture of your mom and your dog? No. Because it doesn't have
after. So I tried to do a slideshow. So this is me with my 3 brothers. Well, 2 brothers, just my dad. 10 years. And
I wouldn't have that because, okay, so you have like, you just gotta dress a little bit better. I mean, like you got the nice Nike swoosh. I'm not saying that Nike's
with
bad.
The pictures I have so
yeah,
far.
I understand.
When I get out, I'll have pictures taken.
So that's your main photo. I wouldn't have that unless you are your mom.
I'll put it in the back because I don't have a great picture.
Okay, this is just like a looks like a magazine. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
To zoom in. It's actually at the Columbia Club in
see, like the problem with this photo is that you're too far away.
All right. I can zoom in and it'll just be pixelated.
Out of all these photos, I mean, like
really,
I wouldn't use. Yeah, I understand. I wouldn't use any of them.
Slim.
But I wouldn't use any of them. But if you'd have to use all of those photos, I guess it would probably be this one because it's.
The one I'm looking up. I could use that as the main one.
But I mean, like since you don't have a shirt on, right, and it cuts off at your shoulders, it looks like you're naked. Okay. So.
Okay. I'll try it out.
Right. So I'll show you mine because
well, what pictures here do you think I'm in? What's the main thing? Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you mine. Okay. So my Tinder that I just downloaded. Okay. I know it's not going to show on here, but that's gross. So that, okay?
Already fun person.
Fun person, right? Me with the girl with like cardboard cutout of a heart, right? In a nightclub. Sounds like fun, okay? Yeah. Me and my dad, it's comfort. So you just break it into 2 different pieces, either comfort or attraction. What is it, right? So me and my dad in the Grand Canyon, comfort. Me and 2 girls, attraction.
That's a really great picture.
This I wouldn't normally have. I was just testing this. Okay.
Looks professional.
I wouldn't use this actually because like the only reason why I have this up now is because right before I was dating Galena, I was testing this photo you know.
Okay.
So that's why it's up, and I just never did. Yeah, this is me up on stage.
That was a guitar.
The funny thing is, I wasn't really doing anything. I just like kind of posed on stage at a Gillette, Penn and Teller stage. So like, it wasn't really me giving a talk, okay? But it shows confidence, and everyone is always fooled when I tell them it's a TEDx talk, okay? The bio, just like bullet points of me, about me, okay? And then after each bullet point is an emoji to emphasize the bullet point, okay? The Spotify, I linked it up to Calvin Harris. He's the top performer. Like, everyone loves Calvin Harris. Every girl gets wet by him, so why not have him on my Spotify, right? Also, Borgore. People like Calvin Harris, they'll probably know who Borgore is. My Instagram, every time I post every time I post something on the Instagram, I always have Tinder on my mind. Okay.
Okay. So it's the marketing. I'm following.
Okay.
My Instagram is also.
So you see how
empty.
Like my Instagram is like kind of like comfort, attraction,
and high quality pictures.
It's just not like spare the moment. All of these pictures are pretty much pre-planned. You know, a lot of people on their Instagram, they'll just have the same selfie of them. If you've ever seen, the old video from like 10 years ago of Noah taking a picture of himself every day for like 6 years or something like that. Don't be that guy taking the same selfie every single day, posting on Instagram. Okay, that just doesn't work. It doesn't add any value. It doesn't show anything.
Like you said, looking at his profile.
Yeah.
Like the pictures say something more about the person.
Yeah, you gotta tell a story. Hey, look at that. So, first of all, sorry that everything was just kind of down here when I was talking to my meetup guys. If I even did show that, who knows? Wow, it's so like crisp. I love this camera so much. I can see myself because like the flip is right. You saw it earlier. Anyway, I'm gonna be filming a lot more stuff. I'm gonna make probably more vlogs now, and everything's gonna be. I'm gonna be pumping out a lot more videos and a lot more content now. So I'm excited to see where my YouTube channel is gonna go. After we got done with filming, after I got done helping that guy with Tinder, we all went to the club after, and we ended up, you know, I was just running drills stuff. A lot of questions that I got tonight was, what do I do? I can't stay in set, right? That was a lot of their questions. The thing when it comes to I can't stay in set is you just ask open-ended questions, and it gets the girl to ask you to talk more, and it gets you more room to think and figure things out on logistics on how to pull. You know, back a couple years ago, like 2 years ago, I tried filming every day, well 5 days a week, and I couldn't handle it, but I think I might be able to handle it now that I understand of how much of a commitment that YouTube is. So expect more videos from me, especially now that I have an actual professional camera, and the reason why I couldn't record with my phone, I mean, like I could, but the video and the audio, they just were never in sync with each other, ever. So I would have to like move them over when I'm in Premiere, and it was just so inconvenient for me, you know? And not to mention the mic on my phone is absolutely horrible. I bought an external mic, just like $100, and I plugged it into my phone, and it was just inconvenient because when I'm out in public, then I have to whip out this really long, like 6-foot cord for just like me being this far away, and it it was never convenient. This is so much more convenient. I don't have any excuses of why I can't make videos now. So with that being said, I love YouTube so much, and I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos. So just stay tuned, okay? And I will see you tomorrow.